Hey folks, we're at BP Imaging. These professional stage photographers are getting a whole host of still shots for our newest products and some of the good old favorites. So check them out. We're just lining them all up. These guys have been polishing all night. We've got obviously our great stainless stuff. Don't forget our lovely black flat track as well. And of course, don't forget our other guys. All the wonderful sliding door, all of our hangers, all of our great setups for pocket doors. And don't forget, we even did some cool cutaways, so you'll be able to see what it looks like inside.